Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to show you how to do possibly the simplest thing in the world, which turns out to be normally not quite that simple. I'm going to show you how to make boiled egg and toast soldiers. So I had a request to do this a while ago from somebody called Rachel. So Rachel, this is your video. And you might think I've got a bit of an obsession with eggs. I haven't really, but I do have an obsession with perfectly cooked boiled eggs, and I used to be able to do it, but recently, well, maybe in the last 10 years, I've just lost the plot. I like my egg white pretty firmly set, and I like my yolk runny, and getting that perfect balance is a bit tricky. So I'm going to try cooking 4 eggs for different lengths of time and see which works best for me. So I've got my eggs. I've labelled 4 of them 3, 5, 7, 9 because that's the length of time I'm going to cook them for. I imagine the 9-minute one might be fairly firm, but never mind. I've also got a bowl of iced water, and yeah, let's get going. So just pop your eggs into a pan. You need a pan that's big enough to get them all in a single layer, and possibly controversially, I'm going to start off with cold water. And the reason for that is basically it gently brings the eggs up to temperature. You should take them out of the fridge if that's where you keep your eggs. Take them out of the fridge for a few hours to warm up. Got a floater, that's odd. Right, I'll change number 7 because I don't like the way that original one floated to the top. There's possibly something wrong with it. That beeping means this pan won't work with the induction hob. Ho-hum, different pan coming up. Right, now we're cooking with electricity. So this is on full belt, and we just need to wait for that to come to the boil. And once it has boiled, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'll then time 3, 5, 7, 9 minutes. And as each egg becomes ready, I pop it in the iced water, and that will stop it cooking any further, in theory. So there's this other technique of bringing it to the boil and then turning it off and just leaving it to sit with residual heat to finish off the cooking. And that never works for me, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, ooh, we're boiling. So I'll take that down to 2 and fire up the timer. And the great thing about induction hobs is they are very responsive. You see how that went from a full boil to nothing. That's less than a simmer, so up a bit. Just like that. Okay, 10 seconds to go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift off. Splat. Okay, let's start that again. I know it's for 3 minutes, but I now need it to be 2 minutes. So I'll just take it out when it's 1 minute. It'll work, won't it? Yes. Okay, that's it. So, whoops, hurl that in there, turn this off, and now we'll start opening them. Oh, the excitement. The 3-minute one. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, that is what I like. And the 5-minute. All right, that's, the yolk's a bit firmer, but it's still slightly liquid. Number 7. Okay, yolk, not runny, but still soft. And the last one, we've only got 3 egg cups, so I'll have to use a shot glass. As suspected, hard as nails. Mrs. KeefCooks would like that one, and I like this one. I did promise you toast soldiers, didn't I? So I've got a couple of slices of thickish sliced white bread. Obviously you can use whatever kind of bread you like, but I think that's the best for this simple little dish. Okay, here's the toast. A generous scraping of butter, and then cut it into long strips. These are your soldiers. Okie dokie, taste test time. So you need a pinch of salt, and just chuck some on the plate, you know, because that's what you do. And dip your soldier in. Hey. Mmm. That is heavenly. I'm so easy to please. Ladies and gentlemen, boiled egg toast soldiers. Nom. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed it. Now please do the usual: likes, shares, comments, subscriptions, donations, patronage, all that good stuff. Or just some of it. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.